Teleport synchronizer locked, rematerializer loaded, and all systems are go.
Are you ready, Cubix?
Ready.
Blinking amazing! All right, it worked! Huh? Where do you think he went?
Right behind you.
All right, let's see. Right there!
Not for long.
You forgot to turn the teleport on.
Catapult converter set and all systems are go. Are you ready, Killerbot?
Ready.
Time to launch Plan K, wherein Bubbletown becomes K-Town. And everyone answers to me. A mere dream? Well, the line between dreams and reality is about to disappear. Killerbot, launch the Dream Sphere and let the era of Dr. K begin! Ready? Aim, and pleasant dreams, everyone!
So me man got an offer to play at the used air bike lot. This could be the big break we've been waiting.
Once the blue box is installed, diagnostic procedure will be streamlined.
Here it is, all ready to move.
What are these sparkly?
Hey, something weird just happened to Cubix.
Maximix is completely shut down.
So is Don Don.
Cubix? Can you hear me, Cubix?
In the future, not so far away, it's the dawning of an all-new day.
Robots for everyone.
Machines that care could be our friends, side by side until the end.
Robots for everyone.
They build special powers right inside.
Hundreds of models from which to choose.
With emotion-driven
The
EPUs.
worlds of good and bad collide, gotta fight all day and night. Cause you got a robot who sets everything right. Cubix, powers beyond compare. Cubix, evil forces better beware. Cubix, in trouble we will always be there.
Robots for everyone.
Cubix!
Cubix, wake up!
Connor,
He's back up.
what happened?
I really don't know. But your entire system crashed.
I remember something about floating inside of a cloud.
Sounds like a dream.
You know what? I have the same dream every single night. It starts in a chocolate factory. Huh? Look! What are these things?
They seem to be EPU-sensitive sleep particles.
Oh, wow. I've never seen that kind of structure before.
They put a robot into suspend mode and at the same time supercharge its imaging output. The result is that the EPU generates highly vivid dreams.
Turn on the monitor.
Okay, all set.
Look! We can see Maximix's dream output.
Check out the hat and shades. He looks pretty cool.
Let me see. Huh? Good morning, Maximix. The evil K-bots have launched their secret plan to take over the Earth.
Yeah, I'm on it right away, M.
Oh, cool. We're like super spies.
Let's look at Canet's dream.
Oh, you're breaking up my EPU.
Let's check out Don Don's.
Hey, look! Don Don thinks he's Britsky.
Wow, I didn't know he liked Tribal. Hey, everybody. Huh? It's really bad out there. Robots are down all over Bubbletown. Everyone's asleep except Cubix.
It must be a Solex. It makes him stronger than the other robots.
This is really bad. It's just like a ghost town out here.
Connor, Abby,
What is it, Chip?
we spotted Dr. K just north of the bodies pit.
I knew he had something to do with this.
Let's go. like he's headed to the old town hall.
That's on the west side.
We better get over there.
I'm right behind you.
Where is everyone, Colossal? Oh, that's right, they're sleeping. All right. Attach yourself to the Dreamcaster and go invade all their dreams.
Ready.
Very good, Kilobot. Now show them how quickly a dream can turn into a nightmare.
Oh, wow, this is totally cool. Maximix is closing in on the K-Bots.
The name's X, Maximix, and don't you forget it. But I guess you won't have much memory anyway, once I reacquaint you with the Big Bang Theory. World saved, ready for next mission.
Maximix, I am your new boss.
My boss?
The enemy is now the one you refer to as M. He must be eliminated.
No way will Maximix believe that!
Work for K. Eliminate M. I understand.
These are the other enemies.
Oh boy, this is bad.
And the most valuable player award goes to Don! No! There's been a change of plans!
Hey, what happened?
These players cheated you out of your trophy.
Why, I'll get them for this! Let's look at Canet's dream.
He canceled your concert.
He's a blinking bad one, he is!
They banned your music.
We gotta crush them!
Crush somebody! Crush somebody!
We gotta crush them!
Kilobots in all their dreams?
Well, it's not only that he's in their dreams, but he's telling them that we're their enemies.
I can't believe Dr. K is trying to turn our own robots against us.
There's Town Hall. Let's go get him.
Here we go.
Abby, pull alongside of me.
Okay. Good one, Cubix.
Cubix, let's come in from above.
You got it.
There's Kilobot. That gyro thing must be sending out the dream waves.
What's this? Shouldn't Cubix be in the middle of a long nap?
Dr. K, we know what you're trying to do and we're gonna stop you.
Right.
Colossal, get rid of these annoying pests.
Colossal man. Hang on. Gotcha.
Thanks, Cubix.
Enjoy yourself while you can, because it won't be long before all the robots of Bubbletown answer only to Dr. K.
You distract him. I'll try to shut down his dream machine.
Okay, that's a great idea. Let's go, Cubix.
Colossal, get them!
How do you shut this thing off?
Eh?
Ooh, I'm good. Connor, I did it!
I think you might want to turn that right back on. You see, without the dream signal, all the sleeping robots will stop functioning. In 1 minute, it will be adios to Maximix. And it will be goodbye to Egghead Cerebrix. And oh, how we'll miss your precious little Don Don.
That can't be.
Abby, Connor,
Huh?
this is really bad. All the robots have shut down. In 1 minute, they're going to completely cease functioning.
And that means for good.
So what's it going to be? Turn it back on and have your robots belong to me? Or leave it off and say goodbye to your precious friends forever?
Abby?
You win.
I knew you were smarter than you looked. Very good.
Addy? Connor? Are you there?
Chip, what's happening?
Everyone's EPUs are back up and running.
Oh. No.
Now, you may be smart, but you still need to stop meddling in my business. Colossal, it's time to take her to school.
Sorry, Colossal, but school's out for you.
Thanks, Connor.
You got it. Come on.
Oh, my head. Colossal, don't let them get away.
Come on, Abby, hurry up.
I'm coming.
Help her, Cubix.
I got it.
Thanks, Cubix.
Gotcha.
Connor, Abby, come in.
What is it, Chip?
We figured out a plan, but we need you to come back to the bodies pit.
We're on the way.
Connor, watch out.
Oh, my lumbar. Hey, watch where you're going.
We're coming home, Chip.
Guys, something weird is happening. There's an incoming dream signal. It's telling them to meet on Bubble Avenue.
That runs right past the bodies pit.
Now it looks like the dreams are all converging into one. Ugh.
We are ready to serve. 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 And serve you will. Go now and destroy the bodies.
That's Bubble Avenue up ahead. It's just like the dream.
You guys!
Huh?
All the robots are converging on Bubble Avenue.
You mean for real?
Yeah.
This is bad.
Don, what are you doing?
Maximix?
Cerebrix!
Where are they going?
Hey, guys, come back here.
Destroy the bodies. Destroy the bodies.
Our very own robots.
This is not a dream, it's a nightmare.
Destroy the bodies. Destroy the bodies.
Come on, everyone, get inside.
Destroy the bodies.
Quick, Cubix, put this on.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to tie into the Dreamcast.
And send Cubix in?
To the dream?
I don't know if it will work, but it's our only chance. These particles will put him under. Then, I'll locate the frequency that Kilobot's using. I got it!
Oh,
Hey, look! Cubix is going under.
He's in!
There's the enemy. Let's get him.
I'm not the enemy.
We have to crush him! Crash! Crash!
This is the bloke we've been after. Come on, mates.
Cubix must be eliminated from the database.
You're wrong. I'm your friend.
Charge!
Hey, where'd he go?
Huh?
He teleported. Oh! Watch out, Cubix!
I learned that move from you, Cubix. Kind of packs a punch, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I think we need a new doorway.
I agree. Some remodeling is in order. Perhaps the flattened tin can look would work best. We're coming through, Buckies.
Cubix, it's all up to you now.
I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Cubix, you bully! Take your blooming mitts off my mate!
But I'm just trying to help.
I'm not going to fall for that nonsense. You cancelled me concert. Tanner and the magnetic particles were about to make it onto the charts and you ruined our chances to make.
Watch out!
Cubix, you can do it!
Cannot win, Cubix. Just watch me.
Magnet on!
Hey,
You leave our friend alone!
I'm your friend. Everybody, get Cubix. Watch out! Stand back!
The bloke's trying to save us!
Possible loyalty miscalculation.
Uh-oh!
Cerebrix!
Oh no! Cubix isn't moving! Cubix, can you hear me?
Can it? Cerebrix! Wake up! It's all over, Cubix.
Oh, what's going on?
Rebooting memory.
The memory's coming back as well, I think.
Got to get up! Cubix, you put up a good fight, but you are no match for me.
Cubix is our friend.
Right, our good friend.
Canet's waking up!
Here we come, Buckies. Here we come.
Look, Cerebrix is waking up too.
Destroy the bodies. Destroy the bodies.
You leave Cubix alone. Cubix is our chum, our main mate.
Don't you have someplace to be? Like over there? That was an original move. This one I got from a Solarix model.
Implementing full spectrum intercept.
On with you, bloke. Reverse polarity.
Yeah, it's time to take out this big guy. Hey, where'd he go?
We got your back, Cubix.
Oh, all of you listen. You do what I say.
We're done listening to you.
You're way too negative.
I will defeat you all.
Look, they've stopped.
Oh, I think they're coming out of their trance.
They are. They're waking up.
Now I am going to teach you all a lesson. What? Where are they going? They woke up. The only two still left dreaming are you and me. Then I will destroy you. Kilobot, you're in for a rude awakening.
The signal's gone.
That means they're out of the dream world.
Oh, look at that! The robots are waking up.
Get back in that thing.
I cannot.
Yay! Get us out of here, Colossal! I'll be back, and I'll get all of you! Count on it!
I wonder what Dr. K is plotting next.
Whatever it is, it can't be good.
Cubix is right. And you know whatever it is, he'll be coming after us for sure.
Yeah, well, when he does, we're ready for him.
One of those sparkly things fell on Cannon's head.
Check it out. He's already on a field trip to Lullaby Land.
I wonder what he's dreaming.
If you got a true blue